Yeah, we are out at the exterior of our system, the 2.5 kVA 24 volt solar and inverter system. Right there on the roof, you have 4 units of 360 watts monocrystalline panels to deliver as much as 1,400 watts of total load at peak power. This PV array is designed to power our 24 volt solar and inverter system on renewable mode 247. So we are your shop plug for anything solar. Design, installation, maintenance, and lots more. Do well to talk to us on 090-1478-9126. 090-1478-9126. 2.5 kVA solar and inverter system with a PV array of 1.35 kilowatts, if I may just use that phrase, 1.35 kilowatts, to charge both batteries adequately and power the load for night use.